Oh, look, it's Robin and Eric from Wonderful. What a surprise.
Oh, what a shock.
How are you?
Hey guys, I'm Eric.
Hey, I'm Robin.
Welcome to Wanderboom. We did a really fun project. We had a chance to work on a really nice fifth wheel RV.
They needed puzzle space.
And just to better organize their rig.
Yeah.
What are you missing?
Yeah.
In the Nook.
Yes.
The Nook? Wow.
Yes.
Yes.
Beautiful. Wow, what a cool... So this is the breakfast nook, or the eating nook, or what do we
Or
call
it
it?
is the puzzle.
Or the puzzle nook, depending on. So again, what was your what were you thinking when you wanted to for this area for your space there between the chairs and the end there?
Well, we had the desk you built last year, and you were a real gem, by the way. When I said, hey, what would you think about tearing down all that great work you did last year? We had the other desk that you were building for us, and we wanted a separate workspace and a place to do our puzzle and play games or have a meal. So we had to figure out a way that all of that could happen in one little space and be comfortable, and also, you know, look okay and be more us. And that's how we came up with the Nook.
Yeah.
You guys, this turned out so cute, and this fabric is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where'd you find that fabric?
The fabric is on Amazon, and then our friend Terry down
Thank
the
you,
road
Terry.
Thank you, Terry.
sewed it for us. So lucky.
Yeah.
We had a fun sewing circle for a few
We
days.
did. We
That
did.
was
We got to
fun.
hang outside, and
She did an amazing job.
So what were some of your other your primary considerations for that storage, that kind of stuff?
well, we have a puzzle keeper that is a big case, and we wanted somewhere to store it. So that's in this hidden compartment right here. And we also wanted a place to put our shoes right when we came in the door. So we have what looks like a shoe storage compartment underneath the Nook, but it pulls out to give us more kitchen storage on both sides.
That's right. There's big deep drawers under both ends so that you could store, what was it again you were putting under there? Some big appliances, some kitchen items, right?
Yeah, an Instant Pot, air fryer.
Yeah, stuff that needed a little more space than
counter.
than just shoes and stuff. So you needed
Right.
some big storage for some cool, larger appliances and stuff. So,
Well, let me say this. Can I say this?
sure.
Before we did this, I had to store things like an Instant Pot and an air fryer up in these cabinets, and they're heavy and they're tall, and so every time I had to take it out, I had to be really careful that it didn't crack my head. And plus,
Yeah, that's
you know, I don't
dangerous.
like having heavy stuff up there when I'm going down the road if the cabinet comes open. So now we can put those heavy big items on the ground underneath.
Not only do the shosugiban on her desk, but also on the tabletop in the Nook.
Really happy for them. They have the space they need, and we got to do another fun project.
Hope you enjoyed that. If you're new to the channel, again, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. So Join the Wander Boom.
Join the Wander Boom. Come on.
It's a boom. It's happening all over the place.